Hello and welcome to the Bizmaster Online presentation. First things first, let's go to the Bizmaster Online website and sign up for a Bizmaster Online account by entering here an email address and a new password, and by clicking register. And let's issue our first invoice. We are on the main screen already. I click the Issue New Invoice button. Then I'll enter the number of the new invoice. Precisely speaking, I leave the default number as is, so I'll just click OK. I am editing the invoice already. General info, such as place of issue, payment method, mode of transport, name of a person who issued it. I could enter remarks here. Alright, here is room for customer data. In this case, it's Vitamin Nutrition Ltd. 7 Buttermere Close. The postcode L316DL, Maghull, and the VAT number 438388254. Alright, here I can enter data of a new item, for instance, sour cream. Here I'll enter that we are selling 14 jars. The price is £2.4p. It's a net price. An option to switch to VAT inclusive pricing is here. The unit of measure is jar and the VAT rate is 0%. Down here on the bottom we can pick whether this invoice has been paid or not. Possibly we could enter, for example, an advance payment. Let's pick that the invoice is paid. I'm clicking OK or pressing Ctrl S. So I'm clicking OK and the system is asking me, because here we are sort of starting from scratch. We've entered the first product and the system is asking about the quantity of the product in stock, really. Obviously, before the invoice, 100 jars. I'm typing in here and clicking OK. And the invoice has been saved already. By clicking here, I could print it. Here I could email it out in a PDF. Here I could download it in a PDF. So, shall we download it in a PDF? Let's click. And this is how my invoice looks like. And as you can see, almost everything is here. What's missing is the seller's data. My company's data is missing. So let's go back to Bizmaster Online. I'll open the invoice, bring up the configuration and type in company's data. Alex Shale Distribution Limited, 134 Days Lane. The postcode Liverpool City. The VAT number. The registration number. Moreover, there is room for the sort code and account number, the phone number and the email. However, we'll skip them. I'm clicking OK down here. The invoice was open while the configuration was edited. So the system is asking to use the data. I am answering yes. And now if we click preview down here, we can see that the seller's data is here indeed. So let's save the invoice again. This time I'll send it to us at info@bizmaster.pl. I'm clicking OK The email has been sent. OK. Here is my invoice. Naturally, I can open it at any moment. See that the stock level before the invoice, not considering it, is 100 jars. Here, if I go to items, I can see my product, and here as well I can see the stock level after the invoice, 86 jars. Alright, here I can see my customer, which too I have entered during issuing the invoice. If I want to enter items earlier, I can do it under the Items tab by clicking Add New Item, entering the name and the VAT rate, and other details such as the price. The same goes for customers. Under the Customers tab, here I can click Add New Customer and enter its name, contact details. Maybe let's very quickly issue another invoice using the data we've already entered. I've picked here the Vitamin Nutrition. Here, similarly, I can pick from the list, but I just press the S letter. There we go. This time I'll sell 6 jars to make 80 left in stock. And the invoice is ready. Here I can check. Indeed, 80 jars in stock. Thank you so much for watching this, and please register on the Bizmaster Online site.